Hi, this is Brian Schiff with Functionally Fit, and the Kettle Gryp is a great, innovative device that's lightweight, portable. You can take it on the road with you. It's essentially a portable kettlebell system that allows you to transform a dumbbell into a kettlebell. It gives you that same grip. Weighs less than 1 pound, so you know that the weight you're using in terms of the dumbbell is right on track. It's really easy to use. It comes apart like so. Has these polyurethane grips that's going to grab the dumbbell handle, accommodates most dumbbells. So I'm going to set the dumbbell in here, and I'm going to close this up, and then you want to make sure that this snaps into place. Then you know that it's good and secure. It's important to note the width of this compared to a traditional kettlebell. It is wider, so you want to take that into consideration when you're doing your kettlebell swing or you're doing whatever exercise, because it is wider. Alright, so as we position for the swing, it's important to note that you want to be able to get into a good hip hinge. What we don't want to see is a lot of rounding of the back and too much depth in the squat. It's really going to be more of a quarter squat and a hip hinge movement. We're driving everything through the ankles, knees, and hips, and that's going to propel the weight forward. So using the Kettle Gryp, we're going to have to take a wider than shoulder width stance to make sure that as you come down, you're not going to hit your inner thighs. Position the handle about where your eyes would be as you look down. We're going to come down, I'm going to grab this, and then as I do that, I'm going to lift and I want to engage my lats. Okay, I want to make sure I'm in a good neutral spine position, and then from there we're going to drive up and go into our swing. Again, more of a hip hinge than it is a squat. Okay? You can do that for a desired number of reps or time. Ultimately, making sure form is good. If you're working on your own, you can use a mirror. Otherwise, have someone cue you in terms of your spine angle if it needs corrected. But again, a great tool and system to convert a traditional dumbbell into a kettlebell. It's an economical alternative for you, and the kettlebell swing is an excellent exercise for building strength, improving posture, posterior chain stability, cardiovascular conditioning, metabolic training, all of the above. Really great exercise when done properly. I think you'll find that the Kettle Gryp provides a nice way to take that exercise on the road.